with me this evening. This is going to be a collective read for Virgos. And Virgos, I'm so excited to be here. I am. I'm so happy to be where I love to be, and that is right here, right now, with you all. Having spirit angels all around, just feeling the love, feeling the peace, and holding that oneness within is yeah. So Virgos, what I'm going to do tonight, I'm going to do Oracle deck. I'm going to work with the wild unknown, the animal spirit, and it's a great tool to use. And what I am going to do, I'm going to do a 4-card spread and ask 4 different questions and put that intention in to see what can help you at this time along your journey, Virgos. I know I haven't been on here for, it's been about 4 months, but I had a major transformation that happened in my life, something so big, one of those big moments again. I know I've had some quite, well, I think I can count, no, I've had a lot of, too many that I want to admit to, but yeah, that's the way it's been. That's the way it's gone. But I am up there in age, so I've been through a lot already, and I know I've been going through a big transformation. I had to have open heart surgery. So right now I'm getting back into the swing of things. I'm trying to adjust to my new body. I'm adjusting, which is really what I want to say. I'm adjusting to my new breath, because it is a new breath. So it's all new. And I'm just really grateful to be here with you. I truly am. So Virgo, what I got from Spirit and the angels, there has been this, I don't know, it's we'll call it the hermit stage. And I got to admit that I'm in that right now. I have been on that, but I'm starting to move out of that, which I'm so glad that I am. I'm so glad that I'm coming out of that. But I really had to just concentrate on myself and put everything I got into myself, which has been in the past a very hard thing for me to do. But as years go by, it's so much easier. I love me, and I deserve the best. So I'm going to give myself the best I can, right? Thank you, Lori. I appreciate you. I just happened to look up and I seen that you're on. I also received, Virgo, kind of getting off track here. I also received angel number 444, and you might be seeing this number a lot, signs and synchronicities. So we're just going to go over what the message is for angel number 444. And let's see what we got. Oh, look at here. We got protective magic. Your prayers are heard. This number assures you that you are being heard. Your angels are guiding you, surrounding you, and answering your prayers of protection. It may be a time of struggle, but you are being led into the light by your guardians. Take a moment to thank your angels for this protective presence in your life. Absolutely, and so it is. Thank you, angels. Yes. Protected and loved. And what I was telling the other collectives that I did the other day, I did Libra and Gemini, and that's there's this protective code of cocoon that is surrounding the collective at this time. So let's dive into. I feel kind of off right now. I don't know why, but I'm gonna take a drink here. So Virgo, the first question I asked is, what's the animal spirit guide that is supporting you at this time? What animal spirit guide is supporting you at this time? Show me clearly. I know I did this for myself earlier and it was spot on. So we got the shark. So the shark is what's supporting you at this time. All right. (111), you might be seeing 111 a lot. Signs and synchronicities. I know I have. And 444s I've been seeing a lot. So the shark spirit is directness, exposure, and revealing true nature and desire. The shark is only dangerous when we don't acknowledge it. This card indicates that something big needs to be exposed. It's lurking in the depths of creating tension. Shark energy takes over us when we are hesitant to be honest, to be totally ourselves, or to say what we really want. It may be tempting to continue pretending nothing is wrong, but when shark energy is at play, we feel its presence is encircling us. So when the shark is in balance, it's intriguing, captivating, and mysterious. And when the shark is out of balance, it's sneaky and it's destructive. To bring it into balance, it's about honesty. So, you remember I was just saying, I feel a little uncomfortable right now. I don't know why. I do know why. I'm more vulnerable right now, telling you my story. So, that's always been a big part that I'm not used to sharing and being so vulnerable. But I'm getting there, working on it, as we do. All right. So, Virgos, the next question is, whatever conflict that you are in at this time, what energy can help you resolve this conflict? What can resolve conflict at this time? I know this open heart surgery has totally been such a drastic, earth-shaking moment that I went through. It's let's see, what do we have? What energy will help resolve this conflict? Alright. Thank you, Spirit. What do we got? We got the sea serpent. So this is the energy to help us resolve whatever conflict that we are in. Okay. The sea urgent. Oh, that's a big turn. That's spirit. Oh, this is a big one. 185. This is pretty major, Virgo. The sea serpent. This is what that can help resolve this conflict that we're in. Healing emotional wounds and expressing desires. Wow. Okay. This is really hidden. So, the sea serpent represents the energy of expression, whether it's emotions, creativity, sensuality, or desire. The sea serpent helps us move and direct our energy into a healthy current. When the essence of this card is in balance, we express ourselves creatively and sexually without fear or shame. We know what we desire most. Our hearts are at ease and our relationships are meaningful and enduring. We loosen the grip of self-judgment and we let the cool waters of forgiveness in to heal our wounds. When the energy of the sea serpent is not yet activated, our emotions and creativity are left in the muddy waters. The current of expression stagnates in some across areas of our lives, and in other places it floods. It's important to remember, no matter what the waters of our emotional lives look like, the sea serpent loves us just the same, like a mother. She wraps herself around us in a gesture of protection. She supports us as we learn to express our true natures. Oh, thank you, Spirit. All right. All right. What do we have? The next question, Virgo, is what part of ourselves that we have forgotten about? What is it of ourselves that we have forgotten about? Show me clearly, Spirit. My mind keeps wandering off. It's like distractions. I'm getting this energy of just always looking. When there's so much time during for me for my healing, there's been so much time that I've had to sit with myself with whatever I had to sit with, whether that be in pain, whether that be in suffering, whether that be emotional, because it's going through a lot of emotional things of yourself and of how things were and how things are. It's very changing. So it's like you're making these big I don't care what anybody says. What I'm getting for the Virgo collective, there's just been such a big transformation, and there's just this knowing. There's just this knowing that we have that we know that we are protected. We know that we are loved, and our faith is strong in what we believe, and dreams do come true. Dreams do come true, Virgo. and you just don't give up. You keep going. You just keep going. So what part of ourselves have we forgotten? And we got the hyena. We got the hyena. So, let's see. This is fire element. Passion 123. I'm getting, you might be seeing these stepping up numbers like 3, 4, 5 or 8, 9, 10, like that. Maybe you just pay attention to that. All right. So we got hyena. This is what we have forgotten about ourselves. So we got humor, wit, and sarcasm. The hyena personality is a jokester and a crowd pleaser, but below the surface, there are unfulfilled dreams to be realized. What was I just talking about? Dreams do come true, right? So, below the surface, there may be unfulfilled dreams to be realized. When the hyena card appears, it's time to reflect on your reliance on sarcasm and humor to express your truth. Are you using jokes to hide old resentments in relationships or to mask things that you feel uncomfortable discussing? What would happen if you took your goals seriously? When in balance, they're charming, witty, and fun to be around. And when the hyena is out of balance, scrappy, petty, and suspicious. So to bring it into balance, it's about sobriety. All right. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, angels. I think we're about done here, Virgo. And I don't even know what I said in this reading because I kind of been all over the place. But I'm continuing on and keep moving forward just as you are. But Virgo, I want to thank you for being here, and I'm sending you such a big hug. Oh, you deserve it. And I do appreciate you. So next time, Virgo, bye-bye.